Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free adult application to your Firestick or Android TV. The app got millions of adult movies inside and super easy to use. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll have to go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, start typing downloader. As you can see, downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up downloader, we gotta go to settings. Let's do it right now. So click on that button with the gear icon. From here, you have to scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. There we'll need to enable developer options on your Firestick, but on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firesticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, you have to locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on our device. There it is, open it. And here's the Downloader. Click on it, wait until the app loads for you, and then here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in that search bar, we gotta enter a code, which is going to be 2890 and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the code is not going to work for you. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now when the website has opened, we just need to scroll down a bit until we see a list of categories. And from the list, you have to click on that one with the heart icon. So we click on it, and then a huge list of apps is going to open up for you. You have to click on that one, as you can see on the screen. I will not pronounce the name of the app because YouTube may not like it, so just click on the same app as I do. Then an ad might pop up for you If it does pop up, don't worry, just click on close or on X to close down the ad. In our case, we have to click on X right here and wait for the ad to close. Then a new web page is going to open up, which we also have to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you find that download for Fire TV or Android TV button. Click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete, and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary installation files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't really have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. And there it is, open it. Scroll down, and here at the bottom you'll find the app that we just downloaded. I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case, of course, it's not going to blur it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble while using such apps. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.